Hello everyone, I am Chris Jasmine. So find x of n if x of z is equal to z squared, z minus 1 times z minus 0.5 squared. So let's first divide both sides by z. So x of z over z is equal to z over z minus 1 times z minus 0.5 squared. So let's apply partial fraction. X of z over z is equal to z over z minus 1 times z minus 0.5 squared is equal to a z minus 1, b z minus 0.5 plus c is equal over z minus 0.5 squared. So first, let's find a. A is equal to z minus 1 x of z over z, where z is equal to 1. So cancel na ni kay 1 minus 1 is 0. So then 0, no, z over z minus 0.5 squared, where z is equal to 1 is, ato substitute si 1. So 1 over 1 minus 0.5 squared is equal to 4. So let's find c. C is equal to 2, c is equal to z minus 0.5 squared x of z over z, where z is equal to 0.5. So, cancel na po ni guys. 0.5 minus 0.5 is equal to 0. Is equal to, so kaya na po, z over z minus 1, where z is equal to 0.5. So, substitute 0.5 over 0.5 minus 1 is equal to negative 1. So, muna value ni c. Si a is 4, si c is 1. So, let's find b. That z is equal to 0. So, ato ni siya ika-pick ni tibuok, but z is equal to 0. So 0, kanina ba kani? 0 minus 0.1 over 0.0 minus 0.1 squared. So 0 na na, 0 man yung numerator pa. So, kanina po 4 over 0.0 minus 1. So 4 divided by negative 1, so negative 4. Then b over minus 0.5, so muna minus b over 0.5 then. Negative 1 over 0 minus 0.5 squared, so 4 na lang yung value. Then, i-multiply na to siya 0.5, ay balhin na to dito si b, then si negative 8 dito sa kilid. So, multiply na to siya 0.5 para magawa si b. So, b is equal to negative 8 over times 0.5, so negative 4. Ano ito yung value ni ABC, which is A, C4, CB, C negative 4, then CC, negative 1. Therefore, x of z over z is equal to 4 over z minus 1. Substitute na ito ha kani. Then, minus 4 over z minus 0.5 minus 1 over z minus 0.5 squared. Then, multiply na to z ang both sides para x over z na nabilin. So, ni, so 4z over z minus 1 minus 4z over z minus 0.5 o minus z over z minus 0.5 squared. Then, tong ginot na to nga katong gikan sa z transform table, which is un is equal to z over z minus 1. So, kani un na siya. Then, a raised to n un is equal to z over z minus a, where a is 0.5. So, same ito na sila na. So, then, kaya na yun, continue ta sa function. So, x of n is equal to 4 4 inverse z transform of z minus 0. Z minus 1, which is un. So 4 times un, then negative 4, so negative 4. Inverse z transform aning z over z minus 0.5 is atong kani, which is anun, where a is 0.5, so 0.5 nun. Then inverse z transform of z over z minus 0.5 raised to 2. So 2 n 0.5 raised to n u n. And that's the inverse z transform of z squared over z minus 1 times z minus 0.5 squared. That's all. Thank you.